comes after the thing.
That's because sound moves at 300, well, at this level.
Whoa!
Whoa, that's like an explosion.
It's around 330 meters per second, I think.
Yeah.
So that must be
This is
About-
awesome.
so cool. It's a bit cold tonight, eh? Doing it in the air.
It feels like somebody's blowing up TNT.
Looks like someone is playing Minecraft, but they have to play real TNT. Like the TNT mod. What beautiful fireworks they are. It's awesome.
It's really high.
Yeah, it's like colors and then mix.
Yo!
Whoa.
It's like magic, right, Daddy?
Yeah, it is. Bro.
It is magic.
Magic!
Whoa!
It makes me
Whoa! That was a big one.
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa!
I'll be back in a second, mate.
Okay. Yo, the fireworks are so amazing.
Love me, Daddy. Love me, Daddy.
Yo. Then subscribe and leave a like. Whoa.
Love me, Daddy.
Whoa. How'd you look?
I think the creeper just pooped his pants 1,000 times.
The creeper?
Maybe the creeper.
So beautiful.
I think
Mm.
The glow.
it's like the sun
Oh.
is rising,
The glow.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
The
if you're
creeper-
gonna fill up your phone, hopefully you don't fill your phone up.
It looks like
Whoa.
it looks like the creeper has farted so much that the whole sky is turning into the sun.
Man, the wind is so like
It's like a Mickey Mouse, like
whoa.
at what's it called again?
3 a.m.
No. At Disneyland they use fireworks, I think.
Whoa.
Daddy wants at the end the fireworks says 2023. That'd be awesome.
Whoa. How come the oh yeah.
They look like
Those
floating
are
crystals. They look like floating crystals.
Whoa.
Floating crystals.